What if I told you that a $10,000 investment could generate over $3,000 in monthly passive income? That's not some get-rich-quick scheme. It's the power of dividend ETF investing when you choose the right strategy and let time work its magic. I've analyzed thousands of portfolios, and today I'll show you the 3 dividend ETF strategies that consistently outperform the rest. By the end, I'll reveal which strategy turned $10,000 into a $1.3 million portfolio while paying out $2,880 every single month in dividends. This is the kind of information Wall Street hopes you never discover. Tired of stock picking that goes nowhere? Today, I'm breaking down 3 dividend ETF strategies that crush the S&P 500, and one of them generates 3x more income while requiring zero stock research. You'll see. The exact strategy that turned $500 per month into a $1,076,856 dividend machine. The biggest mistake investors make with dividend reinvestment. And the one ETF portfolio financial advisors hope you never find out about. And at the end, I'll reveal the strategy I personally use, the one that changed everything for me. Let's get into it. Millions of investors spend years doing everything right and still end up broke. That was me, chasing dividends, stock tips, and still stuck. Until I found these 3 strategies. I chased dividends, jumped between stocks, and still saw nothing close to real growth. So I asked, is there a simple way to build real income and long-term wealth without overthinking it? Turns out, yes. And today, I'm breaking down the 3 strategies that proved it. Strategy number 3, Dividend Income Focus. Starting at number 3, we have the Dividend Income Focus strategy. Perfect if you want steady, growing income over maximum growth. Here's the allocation: 60% SCHD, Schwab's Dividend ETF with a solid 4.04% yield. 25% VOO, S&P 500 exposure at 1.34% yield. 15% VXUS, international stocks yielding 3.00%. This creates a weighted 9.06% annual return with a 3.21% dividend yield. Let's see what happens with Harry's $10,000 starting investment and $500 monthly contributions. Year 5. Harry's portfolio hits $53,475, paying $143 monthly in dividends. Not life-changing, but his $40,000 total contribution is already working for him. Year 10. Now we're talking. His portfolio reaches $121,746, generating $326 monthly. His $70,000 contribution has nearly doubled. Year 20. The dividend snowball effect kicks in. Harry's portfolio balloons to $397,312, paying $1,062 monthly in passive income. His total input? Just $130,000. Year 30. Harry's sitting on a $1,076,856 dividend machine, pumping out $2,880 monthly. That's 466.77% return on his $190,000 total contribution, enough to cover most people's expenses. Wondering how I got these numbers? I'll show you right after strategy number 1, and you can recreate it with my calculator. But if you're impressed by that, wait until you see strategy number 2, which generates even better long-term results. Strategy number 2, balanced growth and income. Now here's where things really change. This second strategy actually sacrifices dividend yield, and yet ends up building over $170,000 more than the income-focused one. Why? Let me show you. Here's how this portfolio is allocated. 40% SCHD, core dividend exposure. 35% VOO, broader S&P 500 coverage. 15% SCHG, growth boost, 12.1% annual return. 10% VXUS, international diversification. By shifting from high yield to more growth, we create a portfolio with a 9.72% annual return and 2.45% dividend yield, starting with the same $10,000 and $500 monthly. Year 5. $54,669 portfolio with $112 monthly dividends. Not much different from strategy number 3 yet. Year 10. $127,100 Saka $67 portfolio, generating $260 monthly. The growth advantage begins to appear with an 81.67% return on Harry's $70,000 contribution. Year 20. Now the magic happens. Harry's portfolio surges to $435,808, paying $890 monthly in dividends. That's a 235.24% return on his $130,000 contribution. Year 30. Harry's sitting on $1,248,832, generating $2,551 monthly. That's $171,976 more than the dividend income strategy, though with slightly lower monthly income. This shows the powerful trade-off: slightly lower yield today for substantially higher total wealth tomorrow. But what if we push this growth approach even further? That's where our number one strategy comes in, and it might surprise you with its simplicity. Strategy number 1. Growth Maximizer. And now, for our top-ranked strategy, we have what I call the Growth Maximizer. This approach is radically simple but incredibly powerful. Ready for it? This strategy allocates 100% to VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. That's it. One ETF, no rebalancing, no sector picking, just pure exposure to America's 500 largest companies. I know what you're thinking. Harry, this doesn't seem like a dividend strategy. With just a 1.34% yield, you're right. But here's what most investors miss. VOO has delivered a 10.20% annual return historically, including substantial growth over the last 5 years. Let's see what happens with the same $10,000 start and $500 monthly contributions. Year 5, Harry's portfolio reaches $55,541, generating just $62 monthly in dividends. Yes, that's less income than our other strategies, but we're playing the long game. Year 10. His portfolio grows to $131,217, paying $147 monthly. That's a 87.45% return on his $70,000 contribution. Year 20. The power of compounding takes over. Harry's portfolio explodes to $465,928, paying $520 monthly. The total value now exceeds both previous strategies significantly. Year 30. Harry's sitting on an incredible $1,390,155 portfolio, generating $1,552 monthly in dividends. On $190,000 total contributions, that's a massive 631.66% return. This strategy produces a final value that's over $313,000 higher than our dividend income strategy and $141,000 higher than our balanced approach. While the monthly income is lower, the wealth creation is substantially greater. The key insight? Sometimes the best long-term dividend strategy isn't maximizing yield today, but maximizing total growth. A larger portfolio with a lower yield can generate more income than a smaller portfolio with a higher yield. How we calculate the results. Let me show you how these numbers work with a quick example. I use a simple but powerful calculation method that anyone can verify. Let's say we invest $10,000 in VOO with $500 monthly contributions. VOO has a 10.2% annual return and 1.34% dividend yield. The monthly growth rate is 10.2%, out of 12, slacker 0.85% per month. After 1 month, starting balance, $10,000. Growth, $10,000 x 0.85%, soccer $85. Contribution, $500. New balance, $10,585. After 1 year, portfolio value, $16,340. Annual dividends, $16,340 as 1.34% EDAR $219. These dividends get automatically reinvested, creating a snowball effect. Our calculator tracks this growth at years 5, 10, 20, and 30, showing exactly how your money compounds. Try it yourself using the link below. But which strategy is right for you? Let's break down the pros and cons. So, which strategy could actually change your life? Let's break it down. Strategy number 3, Dividend Income Focus. If your goal is to replace your monthly expenses with passive income, this is your strategy. By year 30, it's paying over $2,880 per month, the highest income of all. Perfect for retirees, income-focused investors, and anyone who wants cash flow now. Strategy number 2, Balanced Growth Income. Want the best of both worlds? This one builds a $1.25 million portfolio while still paying nearly $2,551 per month. It's ideal for mid-career investors who want solid income and serious upside. Strategy number 1, Growth Maximizer. Don't need income now and just want to build wealth? This one crushes everything with $1.39 million in value, over $313,000 more than strategy number 3. Lower income today, but massive future wealth. Perfect for long-term thinkers and younger investors. Most investors will shift strategies over time. Start with growth, shift to balance, and end with income. That's the millionaire path. You've just seen how $10,000 can become $1 million, and why most people never get there. If you want this to work for you, don't wait. Pick a strategy. Start this month. Let time and compounding do the rest. I'll see you in the next video.